je n'ai jamais autant souffert.
You guys are short.
Just come forward and do. Oh, he's already here, so you're welcome. Come on. You're supposed to be here? Yeah.
Tell him that let's use.
Please let us. Well, the cake is there, so I'm passing the cake. I think somebody they're going to make you ready. You want to say that word Jesus, please. Somebody have to do it for us. Please, you put to do it for me, please. Please, just come. Put your hands, not to say Jesus together. Let's go.